everyone. My name is Malot Pravin. and I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Computer Science Engineering. Today, I will be presenting my IoT based home automation system project. And to begin with, let me provide an overview of the project. The main goal of this project is to automate various home functionalities using IoT technologies. The focus is on controlling garden lights, managing the water tank, and operating a fan, all based on real-time environmental conditions. And the objective of these projects automate to automate the switching of garden lights based on sunlight levels, manage the water tank's inlet and outlet using water level sensors, and control a fan based on temperature readings. And additionally, the system is integrated with the Blink IoT app, which allows for remote monitoring and control. And next, let's discuss the system components. On the hardware side, the project utilizes an Arduino microcontroller, various sensors such as LDR for light detection, a temperature sensor, and water level sensors. Actuators like relays and motors are used to control the lights, fan, and water tank valves. On the software side, I used PiximLab as a simulation tool and the Arduino IDE for programming. The Blink IoT app is employed to provide a user-friendly interface for remote monitoring and control. And let's discuss about the system design and architecture. This slide shows the overall system design and architecture. The block diagram illustrates how different components are connected. You can see here how different components are connected. Sensors continuously collect data from the environment and send it to the Arduino for processing. Based on the sensors data, the Arduino sends control signals to the actuators to perform actions such as switching lights on or off, managing the water tank, or controlling the fan. Communication between the Arduino and the Blink app is facilitated by an Ethernet module. And next, we can see the implementation details here. The garden lights are controlled using a LDR sensor that detects sunlight. If sunlight levels are low, the Arduino activates a relay to turn on the lights. For the water tank, the tank management, water level sensors are used to monitor the levels in a serial tank simulation. The Arduino controls the inlet and outlet valves to maintain the desired water level. The fan is controlled using a temperature sensor. When the temperature exceeds a certain threshold, the fan is automatically turned on. The Blink app allows for remote monitoring and control of all these devices. Through the app, users can see the status of each device and send commands to control them remotely. And before implementing this system in the real world, I used PiximLab to simulate the entire setup. This step was crucial in testing and validating the logic and interactions between various components. Uh, for example, the serial tank simulation was particularly useful in testing the water level management logic, ensuring that the system could handle different scenarios accurately before deployment. And as a result, after extensive testing, the system proved to proved to be reliable and responsive to changing environmental conditions. The garden lights, fan, and water tank management systems all functioned as expected. and I will be showing the demonstration of this project by the end of this video. And that's it for this project. And let me share my internship experience with Emacs institution in Internet of Things. Uh, During my internship in IoT, I gained valuable knowledge and skills that directly contributed to this project. And in starting 2 weeks, I learned C programming for embedded systems, which was crucial in writing efficient code for Arduino. Additionally, I gained an understanding of embedded systems, what is embedded system and all, and different types of memory, what are the types of memory, and I gained the knowledge about all the memory types and the architecture required for cloud integration in IoT systems. These skills were instrumental in designing and implementing the home automation system, particularly in integrating it with Blink app for cloud-based control. And the future work and I let me share the future work and improvements of this project. Future improvements could include adding sensors for comprehensive home automation and incorporating AI for predictive maintenance or optimizing energy consumption. Additionally, expanding the system to control uh, more household appliances and integrating features like voice control would further its utility. And in conclusion, the IoT based home automation system successfully automates key home functions, improving convenience and energy efficiency. This project provided a great learning experience for me, and very I had good time, and I have gained so much knowledge in this internship, and I am excited about the potential of IoT in transforming how we interact with our living spaces. Thank you, and I will be showing the demonstration of this project. Let me open Fixing Lab. I will be operating these components from my mobile app Blink IoT, and you can see the fan and LDR sensor, Ethernet module, LED here. And if the sunlight is more, It's not.